With 26 golf courses in Sarasota, including 15 public, 3 municipal, and 8 private options, well, then it should come as no surprise that this area is a premier destination for those who love the game, as well as the lifestyle that comes along with it. So why are retirees choosing Sarasota golf communities? Well, first things first, year-round golfing. With about 255 days of glorious sunshine, that gives you, the golfer, plenty of opportunity to play golf all year long. Now, of course, don't get me wrong, afternoons in the summertime, man, it is hot, it is humid, good opportunity for some afternoon showers. Yes, I know I need the world's smallest violin for this one, but in the wintertime, in the mornings, it could be in the 50s. That being said, there's endless opportunities to play golf all year long. And as I mentioned earlier, there are diverse options: public courses, municipal courses, private courses. There really is a course for just about every golfer, no matter what your experience. So yes, we are talking about golf, but beyond golf, there are just so many amenities available. We're talking fitness centers, resort-style swimming pools, and of course it wouldn't be the area without pickleball or bocce ball or tennis. And golf? Did I mention golf? Golf. And most, if not all, of these golf communities have a restaurant and a bar on premise. And of course, beyond golf, beyond the lifestyle amenities that come with living in Sarasota, there is a cultural richness that is tough to find outside of a big city. And we're talking about theaters and galleries and museums just in Sarasota. And if you don't like those, you can just drive to Tampa or St. Pete, which St. Pete's about 45 minutes. Tampa, it's about an hour away. And now we're talking about Janice Live to see concerts. We're talking about the Salvador Dali Museum. We're talking about sports. Is there any sports teams in Tampa? Let's see. We got the Tampa Bay Rays. We got the Tampa Bay Bucks. We got the Lightning Bolts if you like hockey. We even have the Rowdies if you like soccer. And let's not forget about the top tier medical facilities that we have close by. We're talking about Sarasota Memorial Hospital, Doctors Hospital, Lakewood Ranch Medical Center. So if you're a retiree, not to worry, the area's got you covered. And finally, another reason that retirees are moving to Sarasota golf communities is, keep in mind, Florida, very tax friendly. No state income tax makes it very retiree friendly. Now, it probably goes without saying, with 26 golf courses in Sarasota, I cannot go through all of them in this video. However, I did pick out some of my favorites. I will make sure to put links in the description down below to most, maybe not all of them, but a fair amount of them. And of course, if you have any questions at all, my contact information is going to be down below as well. All right, got my list ready to dive into the first one that I think you should definitely know about. We're talking about the Founders Club. All right, so the Founders Club is a distinguished private golf community offering just 262 homes spread out over 700 acres. And I'm talking about picturesque lakes, beautiful lakes, lush fairways, just a gorgeous golf community. And here we're talking about a Robert Trent Jones Jr. championship golf course. And one of the reasons that I featured this in this video is that there are only 275 memberships, which means that the golf course tends to be uncrowded. And the course is challenging and breathtaking. The community is meticulously designed around the course with homes thoughtfully set back to ensure privacy while maintaining stunning views. Oh, hey, by the way, if this is your first time checking out our channel, hello and welcome. If you are a returning viewer, hello, welcome back. My name is Adam Miller with the 941 Lifestyle Group. I'm a real estate agent. I'm a lifestyle matchmaker. Glad you found the channel. By the way, homes here range anywhere from about $2 million to well over $5 million. So in addition to golf, there is a fitness center with a variety of classes such as yoga and Pilates. There is an outdoor sports facility, including hard true tennis courts, basketball, and sand volleyball. And if you know this area, the Founders Club is located south of Fruitville Road, east of I-75. There is a 24,000 square foot golf hall that holds tons of events, really welcoming community, great way to meet people. There, of course, is a restaurant on premise with just an amazing view of the 18th green. Hey, real quick too, do me a favor, drop a comment down below, let us know where you're watching from. And of course, one cannot talk about Sarasota golf communities without mentioning Laurel Oak Country Club. It is a premier private club that offers not one, but 2 golf courses. They also have tennis courts and year-round family-friendly activities in an atmosphere of casual elegance. And these 2 golf courses were designed by the legends Gary Player and Reese Jones. So from ladies and men's golf groups to junior clinics and online tee time reservations, Laurel Oak ensures every member has access to golf tailored to their skill level and preferences. Single-family homes here range from the $800,000 to well over $2 million. And Laurel Oak Country Club is also located east of I-75, this time north of Bee Ridge. So as I mentioned, there are 2 golf courses here. The first one is the Player course, designed by the world-renowned Gary Player. This course blends tradition, challenge, and flexibility for a world-class golfing experience. The second course is the Jones course, which is by Reese Jones. This course emphasizes diversity and strategy, offering golfers a challenge that stands the test of time. Hey, real quick, are you watching this video because you're thinking about buying a home in a Sarasota golf community or just interested in golf? Okay, next up on my list, the Oaks Club. So get a load of this. The Oaks Club spans 1,000 acres. The Oaks Club offers a private, member-owned experience. And this community also features 2 distinct golf courses. The first one is the Eagle Course, designed by Arthur Hills. This championship course includes pristine greens, natural water features, and strategically placed bunkers. All right, so next up is the recently revitalized Heron Course. This course is enjoyable for players of all skill levels, including forgiving fairways and walkable layouts. Now, full disclosure, the reason that I added this community to the list is because as a real estate agent, I love options. Options are good, especially when it comes to real estate. You can find properties in the $400,000 range to well over $4 million. And I'm talking about high-rise condos, maintenance-free villas, townhomes, waterfront estates, and of course, homes situated on the golf course. And I'll put links in the description down below so you can check out what I'm talking about. With extensive practice facilities, PGA and LPGA professional instruction, and a fully stocked pro shop, the Oaks Club ensures every golfer has the tools to enhance their game. What do you think? Got a favorite community so far? Drop a comment down below. All right, next up, we're talking about Stoneybrook Golf and Country Club. Located in Palmer Ranch, Stoneybrook is a vibrant community offering an Arthur Hill designed golf course, along with a range of amenities for golfers and non-golfers alike. The 18-hole par 72 course is known for its Bermuda grass fairways and challenging layout featuring wetlands and water hazards across 17 holes. And in addition to the golf course, there is a 20,000 square foot community center with a heated swimming pool and hard-true tennis courts. Stoneybrook is a bustling neighborhood with over 900 residences ranging from single-family homes to condos. Residents also benefit from proximity to the Legacy Trail, the YMCA, and Sarasota's cultural and beach destinations. And for those of you keeping track at home, Stoneybrook is located east of US 41 and just south of Clark Road. Those were just a few of the golf courses that I thought were worth mentioning, and definitely some of the reasons why retirees are flocking to Sarasota's golf communities. And although I didn't mention any of the golf courses in Lakewood Ranch, part of Lakewood Ranch is in Sarasota County. I will put some links in the description down below there. There's some really phenomenal communities in Lakewood Ranch that offer golf. And again, I'll put a link in the description down below to a lot of these properties for sale, as well as my contact information. I'm also going to put a link in the description down below to my calendar. If you ever want to schedule a time to do a 15-minute phone call or Zoom call, I'll be available. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do me a favor and make sure you stick around and watch that video, because if you like this one, you might like that one too. All right, see you next time, everyone.